how to write best script for Instagram Reels. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So if you want to write perfect, best engaging script for your Instagram Reels, for that we will simply go to ChatGPT. If you guys don't have that app, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. So I'll simply click on ChatGPT. Here you guys will see on top left side 2 lines. Simply click here. Now open new chat. Once you open new chat, simply write that prompt. So I will write it or paste it. You guys are seeing on screen. Once you write it, here you guys will see on downside idea and story, also 2 breakers. So in these breakers, I will write my script idea or story that I want to convert the script. So for that, I will simply write it. After writing a story or idea in brackets, simply click on that black arrow. Now wait for some seconds. Here we go, ChatGPT write it best script for my Instagram reel. That's how you guys can write your best script for your Instagram reels or videos. Thanks for watching.